Looking for glitter lips for Christmas? You have found the perfect lip tutorial. Grey lipstick on top, various on the bottom, differently colored rhinestones, metallic beads in between, and differently colored shimmers to create the holographic lipstick effect.
Get yourself the most Christmas lips and the sweetest candy cane makeup with this tutorial. The angle of filming is slightly weird because the main tutorial is on YouTube in the videos tab on my channel, so I was filming myself for a camera. But the point is, you paint your lips red and green, you paint the red swirls on green lipstick and the green swirls on red lipstick. Check out the tutorial to see how to do that correctly, and then you cover the swirls with the same colors of glitter liners. Drop a Christmas emoji if you like the tutorial.
Paint a snowflake makeup look with me. First of all, sketch out a slightly evil lip shape because winter is evil and no one will convince me otherwise. Fill in the corners with a dark blue lipstick and the middle with a lighter blue. Blend them both together and then apply a multi-chrome pigment on top. Better use your finger so that it shows up really nicely. Use a white liquid lipstick and start painting the snowflake lip art with all those beautiful but still scary snowflake shapes. And if you watched it to this point, leave a snowflake emoji in the comments. Beetlejuice often comes uninvited and these holidays are no exception. While we'll paint the cute bows and candy canes he rudely broke in with his black and white stripes. And by the way, don't forget to use grey liquid lipsticks in both dark and light shades to create the 3D effect. And of course, comment any emoji associated with Beetlejuice if you're liking the tutorial so far. And then he just continued the intrusion with the green and purple liquid lipsticks, and now the juice is loose.
You're about to see the coziest Christmas lip art of all times. If in the end you agree, leave me any Christmas emoji in the comments, okay? Deal? So you paint the wall, the window, the floors, the fireplace, the tree. Then you add the fire to the fireplace. You hang some Christmas socks on there and fill it in with black. Add a Christmas wreath and decorate everything with candles and baubles. While you're feeling cozy in this Christmas room, don't forget about that emoji.